So here's my presentation on life chemistry. So first I'm going to be talking about proteins. Proteins are generally all used in cell functions, especially with the facets. And they also have enzymes which help speed up and control different biological reactions. And as you see, I have a little image here. These strands are all different types of amino acids all chained together, which is what creates the proteins in the first place. Next on our list is carbohydrates. Now, you may have heard of them from bread and other things like pastas. Carbohydrates allow really easy storage and transfer of energy. They consist of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. As you can see here, here's a little carbohydrate. We have our oxygen, a hydrogen, and our carbon right up here, which creates the whole carbohydrate. We use it to help store energy and transfer it. And that's our little carbohydrate. So next on our list of acids and life chemistry, we have lipids. Lipids include fatty acids, fats, oils, some vitamins, and steroids and waxes. They're good for structural components of the cell membrane, long-term energy storage, and some insulation. So lipids are made of usually two fatty acid tails and a phosphate group that are hydrophilic, and the fatty acids are hydrophobic, which means that they don't like water, they don't like get wet. So that's why when you put like oil and stuff into water, it floats, it doesn't mix in because it's hydrophobic. Last on our list is nucleic acid. Now, nucleic acids are used to just carry genetic information, DNA and RNA. Now, when it comes to what we can see, so here's our image of a nucleic acid. We have what's called the nucleoids right here, which are connected, which have three parts to them. First is the phosphoric acid, then you have 5-carbon sugar, and the last is a nitrogen base. That's what it was, sorry. So now that you can see that's all connected with the nitrogen base right here, 3 components, it starts to create the nucleic acid, which will again be used to carry out genetic information, DNA and RNA, which will be DNA is used for components of genetics and RNA is used to help create things.